All right, let's simplify this expression over here. I want to start off by taking everything out of the brackets. So the first set of brackets just becomes 5x squared minus y squared. And then we have a minus sign over here. So I want to put a minus sign in front of every term. Minus 3x squared minus 2y squared. And same goes for the last set of brackets. Minus x squared minus 3y squared. And let's group all the like terms together. So first off with the x squared term, I have 5x squared minus 3x squared minus x squared. So 5 minus 3 minus 1, that's 1. So we have x squared. And then with the y squared terms, I have minus y squared minus 2y squared minus 3y squared. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, that's minus 6y squared. And that's it.